how to detect the pneumothorax clinically. If you look to the chest, you see the left hemothorax is bulge, and the right hemothorax actually is less bulge rather than the left side. The left side is bulged. You see the left side is bulging more than the right side. Will give you clue there is evidence of pneumothorax. We check the air entry. The air entry will be less in the left side. This give you clue about the pneumothorax. By clinically, by observation or inspection, the chest asymmetry of the chest, there is bulging in the left side, and by auscultation there is decreased air entry in the left side, and the patient in CPAP, non-invasive CPAP, and saturation is decreasing. So you have to request it for X-ray immediately and prepare for chest tube, because this is emergency.